What's up, guys? Phillip Velayo here. We're day 2 of the NRL Hunter Alaska Wilderness Hunter up by Denali. Denali is actually right behind us, but because of its own little weather system, you can't really see it. I wanted to really quickly run through what's in our kit or our pack for this match. I've got my brother-in-law here, Lawrence. He's shooting skills. He's also an Alaska native, and yeah, his first NRL Hunter. So. Yeah, talk about what we kind of brought up the mountain here. This is day 2 of the Alaska match. We're about getting ready to shoot actually our first stage of the day, which is Bravo 2. So we've got a little bit of weight and figured we'd run through this. So starting with me, what's on my body? I've got just some sunglasses, just wearing a sun shirt. Wear this both days. We've thankfully been blessed with really good weather the last couple of days. I've got my Garmin 901 as my primary ballistics. I've got a backup data arm board here, which is the sun and shadow with our dope cards. I've got on my bino harness a Kestrel 5700. I've got a magazine. This is the Sentinel, Stone Glacier Sentinel bino harness with the long range kit and the extra large side pouch here. Inside the side pouch, I've actually got an all-in as well as an adapter for my Victronics. I've got some note cards, some extra pens. I'm running the Victronics 10x42s as my primary rangefinder, as well as binos, extra pens. And on my belt, got just my regular long range shooting belt. I've got extra magazines with a G-code holster. And I've got my backup laser rangefinder, which is the Terrapin X's. This is a solid. Definitely glad I brought this back up because some of the ranges were a little difficult even for the Victronics, but this was able to actually get it. So that is there. Got my cell phone, and I've got an extra chamber flag, and I'm wearing the de Havilland, Stone Glacier de Havilland lights with some Cry knee pads, and another MVP would be these crispy, what boots are these?
Altitude GTXs.
The Altitude GTXs. They have definitely come in handy. The rifle I'm actually shooting an open heavy. I've got a short action customs built 6.5 Creedmoor. This rifle weighs exactly 16 pounds as it's configured. I've got a Thunder Beast Magnus with so Magnus RR. I've got a Armageddon gear suppressor cover. I've got a proof carbon fiber barrel, 24 inches, chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. I'm running the short action customs Alpha 11. This is all sitting in the brand new KRG Whiskey 3 Pro with the folder, and I'm running triple pull sky pods. I've got a Triggertech Diamond. I've got this all topped with the Kahles K525i with the Skimmer 3 reticle. This is a DLR model. I've got the Spur, got Flatline Ops Halo X's as my anti-cant device, and I'm running a Tab Gear sling. These triple pull MDT sky pods have definitely been clutch at this match, and then recording all of the footage with the Trigger Cam 2.1. I'm running AW mags out of my Defiance Action there, or my Alpha 11, which has definitely helped. So going into my pack, my main tripod has been the 22i. I've got the Rytech large table on top. I'm running the OG size Get Light as one of my bags, and inside I also have water. I've got my microphone and extra batteries for my camera that you guys are watching on, some extra camera gear attachments, and chow. So they gave us mountain houses for our lunch. I didn't even eat lunch yesterday. We had an 11-hour day, but they gave us mountain houses for the mountain, and just got some extra liquid IVs. Cannot recommend bringing enough snacks, especially if you're doing something like this. Going into the pack, got some baby wipes in the case I need to use them, obviously. More snacks and a spoon. Got Ear Pro. Yesterday I brought 120 rounds. Today I only needed to bring 80, but I've just got Tab Gear ammo carriers here. I've got a Stone Glacier M5 jacket top. That's kind of like the obviously backup, but also a stuffer for the pack. And then I'm running, again, if it got cold, but also a stuffer, Stone Glacier Puffy Black Label. And I've also got just an extra pouch with batteries, and this is all sitting in a a Stone Glacier Approach 2800. So keeps me packed super light, but for the most part, that is everything that is in my kit. And yeah, I'll talk about Lolo's rifle real quick because he's borrowing actually my backup. I had a series of classes in Alaska, so I brought up an extra one and I drug him along to shoot the match with me after our classes. But he's actually running my OG Tika build. This is in 6.5 Creedmoor. It's got a proof pre-fit 22-inch with a Thunder Beast Dominus on it. Kahles K5 25i with the Condition 1 Max mount. Tika, like I said, MDT Sky Pods, double pull with the Really Right Stuff attachment, all in a KOG Whiskey 3. He's running the Rear Admiral, and yeah, he's got a trigger cam as well. All in a KOG Whiskey 3 with the folder, and his rifle setup weighs just under 16 pounds. So he's shooting skills, so it doesn't matter what his rifle weight is. And he's also running 140 yield AMs, which reminds me, out of my rifle, I'm running the 153 A-tips, right around 2670. So definitely make power factor. So I'll have Lolo walk through what's in his kit for guys that are maybe looking to shoot skills, or kind of what stuff that has helped him for this match.
Yeah, so Phil's got all the gadgets. I'm getting to this and it's been super fun. It's been awesome using Phil's gun, so it's been super fun to run. But yeah, I'll go through mine. It's going to be a little bit different, but no, it's been good. It's been good. So on me, just my harness here, Leupold harness, nothing special at all. Got to borrow a pair of SIG Kilos as my binos. These things have been working awesome, super fast at ranging. These things have been sick. I'm gonna have to spend a bunch of money now after all of this. I don't have a Garmin, so I'm just running an arm board, so a hard dope card. It's been actually, I mean, after you get it on, it's been great. It's been going smoothly and everything's been pretty good. Just light sweatshirt here, sun shirt. Yesterday was pretty sunny. We didn't have bugs, but it was windy, so it was nice. Today is gonna be overcast and we're already getting into some bugs. So kind of like him, got my phone on me. Wearing some True Work pants works perfectly to hold my mag right here. Worked out well. And that's honestly about it that's on me personally. Everything else I have in my pack here. I run a Kafaru pack, the Arc frame with the Hellbender day pack. So honestly, it's been super good for this. It's not too heavy and it's been packing everything that I've needed. Going through the pack, got to use these Real Right Stuff tripods. They've been working great. Thank you, Phil, again. Yeah. And another heavy rear bag. We've been kind of swapping in and out with what's been working best. I'm shooting skills, so I'm going through this, having some fun, getting the feel of everything. Been packing well. Everything straps together, one click, it comes right off. In my day pack, just in the side, just in case, spare hat, some gloves, just in case it got cold or anything like that. In my pack, somewhat of the same stuff. Ear Pro lunch that I also did not eat yesterday because it was in the truck. So that was good, but no, it worked out. We had plenty of snacks. Extra mag just in case, some snacks, and even for me, I have a spare shirt if I want to get down to a t-shirt. Inside my bag, thank goodness.
Oh my
brought
God.
this bug dope.
That's been clutch too.
Yeah, seriously, got this all ripping. We're using a bunch of it today. We'll probably run out, but that's good. Extra rangefinder just in case in the bag. Liquid IV like he brought definitely has been helping. Yesterday was a very long day, so today we're gonna be drinking a whole bunch of that to keep us going. Full water bottle today, already prepped with liquid IV. Gonna be drinking all that for sure. All right, toolkit.
Oh yeah, he brought the Fix It 6 kit
Yep.
and our Garmin, just in case we needed to check velocity.
I'm running Hornady ELDM rounds, so I just got them in my pack, ready to roll.
Running the 140 ELDM's factory, and it's been shooting
Yep.
great. Yeah, for him.
And then just in case weather does go south, rain jacket. And if it got really cold, I have my Kuiu puffy in the bottom to just be prepared for anything out here. Alaska can be unpredictable, so yeah, it's been good.
So after shooting yesterday and looking at kind of some of the gear that I've been able to kind of pass off to you as skills, what is some of the gear, let's say someone who wanted to shoot this themselves, that you have, that you're like, I probably could have left this at home, and like this for sure I would bring to a match, like it's worth the weight and carrying?
Honestly, I mean, after this match, definitely 2 tripods, honestly.
Yeah.
Some of the stages have been pretty interesting, and doing a lot of tripod rear in some of them. Triple pulls also been fantastic for some of these. So some of the things just what would help better in the match, absolutely. Yeah, honestly, like for a new shooter, you know, I'm basing this off of, this is my first match myself, right? So for me, just a big key items that just have helped since yesterday that we've been working on. 2 tripods, triple pulls, and yeah, honestly, that would kind of hit it for me. That would kind of hit it for me.
Yeah, I could sit here and talk all about the rules and regulations for skills division, but you can look at all that up at the NRL Hunter organization website with regard to rules and regulations. But, you know, to summarize, as a open heavy shooter or a, you know, shooter that's shooting open, I can essentially coach. Even the ROs can coach skills shooter on the clock. But yeah, we are getting ready. I'm getting ready actually to go up next, so I'm gonna pack all this stuff up. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions with regard to any of the gear that we used, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Lolo, good luck the rest of the match, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, dude. For everyone else, you guys know the drill. Keep your face on the gun.